Well, my cucumbers didn't really do super well. One plant completely died. However, my 3 little tiny tomato bush plants kept trying to find the light and kept trying to find the light, and they kept trying to find the light. And then they turned sideways and just keep trying to find the light. So now I have a jungle in front of my window. And every couple days I'm getting new tomatoes. Here's the new batch coming in right now. I think I'm gonna have some tomato and cucumber salad, but store-bought cucumber, I think. Here we go. I know that 2 of these came from a plant that was 3 that my aunt gave me in one pot. And I separated them, and actually 2 of them lived very nicely. I'm pretty sure this is the one. Yeah, it was this one. Because it's the one that did not have the self-watering systems, and it has a 2-bucket and fill through that little hole there. It's really annoying. But this first one I did was because it was a Home Depot tomato plant, and it had lots of lights on it, so it grew really fast. And it was the first one to be planted here. Yeah. Dinner time.